My people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Njeri Kabiru, as usual, Njeri Kabiru. I had promised you that I'm going to show you how it look like after decorating the bottles. So I'm gonna take you through the whole process. Usually this is what I do DIY, and if you're new to this channel, you're so much welcome. Thank you so much for visiting. Please do not leave without subscribing and turning on your notification bell. So guys, good morning. I have to look where the sun is not. Good morning, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Njeri Kabiru. Like I told you, I'm doing centerpieces for our wedding. I'm in the wedding grounds and I want to show you how we're going to set up the centerpieces and set up the wedding house seats. This will be like a chapel, and then later there is a dining place to go. So I've been given mandate to do whatever I want. So I want to make an aisle. We're setting up the seats this side, and this here is going to be the aisle. So I want to put the decorated bottles there to create an aisle. So guys, I want to show you, I hope you can see me. I have to go like this because I don't have a tripod. I want to set up the aisle. I want to create an aisle right here. So guys, my people, I want to use my decorated bottles to create an aisle where the bridal will walk through. Guys, so my idea is coming together. You can see the flowers in the bottles down. They keep on falling because this place is so windy. So I've decided I'm going to get water and fill in the bottles so that they can be strong and then stand on their own. So I'm going to get water, then come back, set up, and then show you. So, my people, it's coming together. It's coming together. Just need to be on the straight line. So guys, this is the plan, to use this as an aisle, and then immediately after this we're going to take this to the dining to be on the centerpiece. And if you wonder where I got the materials, flowers, the thread, the yarn, please check my previous video where I show you where to get the materials, and you can go and shop and do this for yourself. So if you have any question, if you have a wedding and you would like me to come and do your centerpieces, please reach out. My email address is right on the description box. Even my phone number, you can get it there. Call me and for sure I'll be there to decorate your wedding, your event, and give it a little bit more amazing DIY creative touch. So this is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down on the comment section and I'll for sure get back to you if you have any question. But if you just liked the idea and you loved it, just show some love on my channel. So until the next video, please watch to the end to get to know how the dining went, and I will see you in the next video. I love you. Stay safe. Thank you so much for your support. I really pray for you. I am grateful for you. Thank you and bye.